Hello guys, welcome to WorkinTool. This video is a comprehensive introduction to how to use WorkinTool Image Converter to convert and edit pictures. You will learn how to convert images to other formats, how to add and remove watermarks, how to compress images, and how to use this software to edit images for professional use and for fun. No more nonsense, let's dive into this tutorial. How to convert images, HEIC, and RAW. You can find Convert Images, Convert HEIC, and Convert RAW in the Feature Conversion menu. The steps are the same. You just need to select a feature according to your image format, and select or drag images to this software. Take the Convert Images feature as an example. Firstly, we need to drag some images here. After uploading the images, we can set the output format for all images at a time on the top drop-down menu, or set the output format for each image file separately. There are 100 more output formats available to convert. Then press Start to convert. The finished work will be automatically saved to your laptop. You can check it in the directory you set. How to compress images. Still, find Compress Images in the Feature Conversion menu, select or drag your pictures here. After uploading pictures, we can see the original size, resolution, and compression status right to the file name. Then, you can customize the picture clarity, size, resolution, or type in the target size. The higher the parameters, the larger the file size. If we tick Shrink first, Equilibrium Compression, or Clarity first, this software will auto-compress the images according to its AI calculation. Among the three options, the file size will increasingly grow in inverse proportion to the image quality. Other than that, you can keep the image's original format or use it as a JPG converter to convert all images to JPG format if desired. After configuring, click on Start to compress images. The compressed images will be automatically saved to the PC. How to change, remove, or make a transparent picture background. When we need to make ID photos, portraits, and product images, WorkinTool Image Converter matting feature would be helpful. It allows us to make portrait matting and item matting with no hassle. We can upload multiple pictures or a single picture to this program and all the work will be auto-finished. Let's make a portrait matting for example. Find Portrait Matting and click on Add Just One to upload a photo, then the image background will be automatically removed and become transparent. To change the background, you can click the color right to the photo, use the free stock background template, or click on Customize to upload a photo. Meanwhile, we can reverse or erase the cutout image manually, dragging the circle icon to adjust the brush size and edges to optimize details. It also allows us to change the picture size and adjust the aspect ratio for general use, for certificates, and for eBay use like making driving license, ID card, passport, visas, and so on. To make items matting, let's add pictures in bulk. It is also available to change the image background and resize the images like what you can do for portrait matting. You can manually optimize and save an image separately by clicking. Once the work is done, press Save Now or Save All to export the images. How to make an ID photo. To make an ID photo, you can follow the steps on how to use the matting feature as we mentioned before, or directly select Make ID Photo and upload an image. The image background color will be automatically changed to blue instead of transparent. You can also customize the color you want. After that, click on Change Size and select a template to resize the picture as desired. Drag the box to adjust the showing area, then press Save Now to save the ID photo. How to remove watermark from photos. Still, find the Remove Watermark feature on the left page to upload a picture covered by a watermark. You can see a box selection tool and a paintbrush at the top to draw and erase watermarks. The eraser right next to it is used for erasing the selection area. You can change the mode to texture fill, smooth fill, or edge padding as desired to supplement more details. When you select the watermark that you want to remove, press Remove Watermark to preview the final effects and press Save Now to export this picture. How to add watermark to photos. You can add both text watermark and image watermark using WorkinTool Image Converter Add Watermark feature. More importantly, batch processing is supported. For a text watermark, you can change the style like text font, size, color, transparency, and angle. For an image watermark, just upload an image and you can adjust the size, transparency, and angle as well. The watermark location is at your disposal. You can customize both the text and image watermark location by dragging it, tiling it to cover the whole image, or using the 9-square mode to automatically fit it with the picture. If you want to add the same watermarks to multiple pictures at a time, just click on Apply to all pictures. Then press Save Now to export the watermark-covered pictures. How to edit images. This software is a powerful image editor as well. You need to find Edit Images first. When you upload an image, you will see an editing panel on the right side. You can change the image size manually or use the default aspect ratio. It is convenient to make a picture that fits with Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. In addition, you can add filters to pictures. Adjust image parameters. Blur pictures. Add a border to pictures. Superimpose pictures. Add text to pictures. Add picture stickers. And draw on pictures. After editing, just click Save Now to export the picture. How to make a picture collage. Press Pick Collage feature, then upload your images. For multiple images, there are templates for 2 to 9 pics, 10 to 15 pics, and 15 more pics you can choose. After selecting a template, you can adjust the space, frame, and filleted corner as desired. Click on a picture, then you can mirror, spin, zoom it in, or zoom it out. Other than that, click on Background, and you can select the background color and background frame as well. After that, click Save Now to export the finished work. Edit pictures for fun. This software also allows you to edit pictures for fun. You can use it to repair old photos, color antique pictures, enlarge image size, fix facial blur. Cartoonize a photo, get the gender swap filter, make yourself younger and age yourself in a few clicks. These features are designed in the photo restoration and add special effects menu. You just need to upload an image to the feature you want to use. Wait for a while. And you can save it to your PC. The program will process it with AI technology. Here comes the end of this tutorial. You can download WorkinTool Image Converter at www.workintool.com. If you find it useful, subscribe to our channel and we'll keep updating. Any questions or discussions are welcome. Bye.